Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lisa Zora. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back guys. And if you're just passing through, welcome just to see. So as it says in the link or on the title below, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to open an account with CXIO. So whenever I deposit money on Tradersway, my withdrawal method is always CXIO. So I use Coinmama to deposit Bitcoin, and typically or basically with the brokers, the method that you use to deposit is the method that you have to use to withdraw. So I would deposit to Bitcoin, but I withdraw to CXIO. So with CXIO, it's a very good site to use to buy Bitcoin. And especially if you're in a country like myself, like when you're in Jamaica, then it would be very good for you, because once you withdraw from Tradersway, Hugosway, KOT, Forex, Bitcoin, you can withdraw it to your CXIO account, and then you will deposit it on or withdraw it to your Visa card, and you can trade it over to US dollars, then withdraw it to Visa card. So CXIO is a very good website for that. And just the same like Coinmama, you're probably going to have your data, password, all of that to prove your identification. Your account has to be validated before you can able to make any transaction at all. You can use Visa card or MasterCard. Be sure to have a US account or an account in a currency that they use though, because in Jamaica we use JDM dollars, but we can, I can open a pound account, euro, Canadian, or USD if I want to, because the option is there and I can connect it to my card just the same. So you want to go ahead and go over here where it says create account, and you want to click on that. So while it's loading, so the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna type in your email. So this is gonna be a little bit blurry for you guys, so you won't be able to see it. So let me go ahead and give you the let me go ahead and type in my email address. So I think I'm going to use this one. I'm trying I have so many address, and okay, so I'm gonna use my, so I'm gonna go ahead and click that, and I'm gonna type in my email. Let me take the caps lock off, and once I type in my email, please make sure that whatever you're typing in, it is correct, because it will send a verification to your email like most sites always do when you're signing up for them. And then I'm gonna go ahead and write a password. Okay, so make sure that your password contains 8 characters. That includes a number and a symbol as well. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do that. And we're gonna choose the country which we're from. So whatever country you are from, as long as it's there, go ahead and you can use that. And you should all know I am from Jamaica, so I'm gonna go ahead and click that. You agree to receive their occasional emails and newsletter, and you have to, or you got to accept their terms and use of condition. Then you want to go ahead and click on where it says create an account, and that's where it says mandatory mandatory verification. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna look on my email on my phone for that, and I'm gonna accept it. So once you do that, you're gonna get an email on your phone, and you wanna go ahead and you're gonna accept that. So you're basically confirming your email. So I'm gonna do that on my phone now. So I just confirm my email. in just a second, guys. Okay. Okay, so now that my email is confirmed, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna click on logout, and then we're gonna retype in our email and our password to log in, because you're going to need to do that, guys. Okay, guys. Then I'm gonna type in my password, and I'm gonna click on sign in, and as it says, mandatory verification. So I'm gonna complete to set up my account. So I'm gonna put in my first name, my last name, the year that I was born, and I'm gonna tell you guys, I already have an account with CXIO, so I cannot verify this account because the information that I'm putting in is fake. If so, let's go ahead and put that in. Then we're gonna click on next. Okay, so and we're in. So that's confirmed. So let's go ahead and sign back in again. And we're gonna use our email address one more time. And our password. And we're gonna sign in. We're gonna click on login. And we're gonna skip that. So if you want, you can increase your limit to enable to deposit. Once you click on that, you would have to verify some steps. So if I click on increase limit, let's go ahead and click on it. We have to sign back in again. And then our password again. There you go, identity verification, and that's what I just saw pop up on the tab up top. So you have to verify that you're the person. So you gotta verify a lot of stuff, like for example, your identity, your address. I think your phone number is also one of it. There you go. So these are all of the things you need to verify now. You gotta verify your identity, your address, and that's your email address and all of that. So if I click on start, you want to go ahead and click on start. That's if you want to do that now. You don't have to do that now. You're gonna put in your country, all of that, all of that. So let's go ahead and type in a zip code, and let's select a state. As you can see, it already state the parish is for me. And let's go ahead and type in address. And let's back that up a bit, and we're gonna click right in for Mario for City. And bear in mind, that is not my real address either. I'm gonna click on next, and we need a number, so we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna type in a number for the video sakes. so it can be verified. So we're going to go ahead and send the code to that number, and once the code is sent to that number, we're going to go ahead and type that in. So I got the code on the number, so let's go ahead and type in the code. Then we're going to click on next, so our phone number is verified. And this is for proof of identity. Now I can use my passport, driver license, or ID. Let's go ahead and click on passport. And what I will do is upload a file, and then I'll click on next for it to verify. But because that won't go through, because the name and my information does not match, so that won't go through. So once you do on that, it will be able, it's going to tell you the steps to do next, and then you'll verify, and you could go ahead and buy Bitcoins or withdraw Bitcoins from your broker. So I'm going to go ahead and exit. So here is what it looks like without the verification. I cannot deposit or withdraw because once I try to do that, it's basically not gonna allow me to do that unless I verify my account. So if I click on withdrawal, let's see what's gonna happen. Let's see. Yeah, I can't do that without verification, but let's see. Okay, so once I look on withdrawal, Bitcoin, all of that, when it says enable 2FA, it's your number, so it's gonna send you a code every time you want to deposit or to withdraw. So let's go on where it says deposit. Now once you click on, I'm gonna click on deposit. You can add your Visa or MasterCard to it. Make sure it has US currency or currency that it use. So here is USD. I would go ahead and add my card to it, click on Visa or MasterCard, whatever card I'm choosing, domestic. So these are the options that it has. So that's what I can use. So let me go ahead and switch over to where it says Bitcoin. Once I switch over to where it says Bitcoin, I'm going to see my Bitcoin address right here, right? I don't want to, I'm gonna see my Bitcoin address, and because it's telling me to increase the limit, I have to verify. So it's not gonna tell me the address unless I verify my account. It does have a limit though. You cannot withdraw more than a certain amount, and you cannot deposit more than a certain amount. But it goes in really, really, really good, guys. When I say it's really good for withdraw from Tradersway. So I use Tradersway, Hugosway, QT forex, FX choice or Osprey. My deposit option is Bitcoin through Coinmama, and my withdrawal is through CXIO Bitcoin. So that is it, guys. I hope this video was a lot interesting. I'll be showing you guys on how to withdraw and deposit on a later date, but as you know, traders and most of the brokers, you can't withdraw or over the weekend. So that is it, guys. I hope this video was a lot helpful to you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, hit that notification bell, and drop a comment below. Let me know what you guys think. It's been a while since I've been on here. I want to thank you guys for your support. And bye, guys. I'll see you in my next video.